a slow morning for sure. Carter is homesick today. He came in at like, I think it was like 6:30 in the morning and said he didn't feel good and he was coughing before he went to sleep, but I didn't really think too much of it. And sure enough, he woke up this morning with a fever. It said that the thermometer said 101. I don't know how reliable my thermometer is because sometimes it gives me the most random readings, but I know that he definitely had a fever because he was burning up. So, and there's Carter. Hey baby, how you feeling? Today's vlog is a collaboration with Brianna K, and a lot of you probably follow Brianna already. She was probably one of the very first like YouTube moms that I watched back in the day. I've always loved her content, and she recently hit 250,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone, and I am so happy for her. I just look up to her in so many ways, and I'm so thankful that she asked me to collab with her on this video. And we're both just gonna be showing you a day in our life. She has 2 little ones. She has a boy and a girl, and they are absolutely precious. And she is a total boss mom with like in every single way. So check out the link in the description box below. You guys can go over and check out her day in the life video once you're done watching mine, and stick around and hopefully subscribe to her channel. I promise you will love it.
Will Christmas be girls and to all the good boys?
Good job. And the G is actually silent, so it's although.
Awesome.
Although. And although sleep is for fools. Oh yes, sleep is for losers. I won't go to bed with the rest of you snoozers. I'm sitting up late. I'll be here when he comes. I declare by these stockings and gingerbread crumbs. So Trevor went dutifully off to his bed, but naughty old pig stayed up just like he said.
Hey guys, it's Jeff. Second time coming to you this week. It is raining and cold here in South Texas, so my wife has sent me into the world, told me to grab some lunch for her and Carter, who's homesick today. Last time I was on the vlog, I did a shout out to America, and some of you reached out to me and told me that you are not from America, and I want to make sure that you know that you are important to me. So I want to give a quick shout out to Karen in the UK, Lizzie in New Zealand, Fabiola in Mexico, Shakina in Jamaica, and Angelica in Italy. Thank you for watching. I also wanted to go a step further and share some fun facts with you guys. Did you know that the British drink 163 million cups of tea daily? Did you know that Jamaica's longest mountain range is the Blue Mountains, and the Blue Mountain Peak is over 7,400 feet high? Did you know that New Zealand was the first country to give the right to vote to women in 1893? Did you know that pizza was invented in Naples, Italy? Did you know that Mexico is the largest producer of silver? So thank you to all who watch our videos in America and the world. So back to the task at hand. We're driving to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A's really got it going on. Like, they convinced the whole world that it's not fried chicken. Nobody thinks of Chick-fil-A as fried chicken. People just think like the chicken's cooked in the Holy Spirit or something. It's not fried. It's blessed. Everyone's trying to push drink carriers on me. If it's more than one drink, like why do I need a cup carrier for 2 drinks? Do they not make cars with cup holders? But like, I don't want a cup holder. I will I'll sandwich them in the hand rests. I'll chug one. Anything to avoid having a drink carrier. I only gave 1 straw. I expect better from Chick-fil-A. I wonder how long my wife has been watching me eat. I wonder if my wife watches me eat and is like, damn, that's my man. That is my man eating his yogurt parfait. Oh, all right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can we help you put it on?
Yeah.
And you gotta get a little rock.
Say thank you. Come on.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Come on, Cassie. Let's go this way. Hey, let's go this way. Come on. Careful, guys. All right. Got my minions.
You don't have your names.
I don't have my minions.
You do.
I do. You are my minion, and so is Cassie. Yeah, Cooper and Cassie are my minions. So is Sydney and Carter and Crew.
And Mommy.
And Mommy. Mommy is a minion too.
Did you have a good day at school? Yes. I love your Mario jacket. Did your teachers love it?
Yeah.
You showed Miss Gabby and Miss Carrie your jacket?
No, I just was carrying my walk.
She did. She loved your rock that you made.
Yeah.
Kashi, how was your day? How was your day at school?
Oh.
Give each other a hug. Hugs. Aw, Coop, he wanted to give you a hug. Mario. Right now, I am making this seriously amazing chocolate chip pumpkin bread. I've actually made this once in the past and it was so good and so easy. Essentially, you just mix like all the dry ingredients and then the wet ingredients and then combine them together. I was trying to find where it says what you need, but in here so far, I've just put in flour, baking soda, salt, and the pumpkin pie spice. It says to mix all that together, and then now I'm gonna mix I think the rest of the ingredients together. So anyways, I will link the recipe below for you guys. I still never got around to doing my hair today, and Crew has been asleep in this thing forever, for hours now. So this is just what I gotta do to get things done around the house.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align.
Y'all want to see some real life stuff here? I know you've seen me in the sweatshirt all day, and that's because I literally woke up this morning. I have on the shirt that I slept in last night, Probably has milk all over it. Who knows? Not saturated enough that I'm gonna change though. I'm just gonna leave it on. Then I threw my mom mode sweatshirt over it, which is super cute, but it was meant to be like worn out into public, but now it's just like my wear around the house sweatshirt. And then I have on some jogger pants. I don't even know where these are from. I think like my One-Tool box. And then my slippers on. This is what I've had on all day since I woke up this morning. Just in case you guys are under the impression that I wake up and get dressed every day. That would be a big fat no. My camera is actually taped up. That is how much dedication I have to you guys. I am literally filming with a taped up camera because I have to buy a new one. The crib is full of clothes that I'm going to be talking about for an Amazon haul because I didn't want to forget any of them, so I threw them all in there. Let's face it, we don't always get dressed every day, and I don't want you guys to be under the impression that I do get dressed every day, because I don't. I just wanted to like have a little bit of a chat, like some real talk here. Hopefully my dryer is not distracting you because the laundry room is right here. What, honey? What's going on? He never seems comfortable sometimes. Well, I was gonna try to sit down, but he does not want to sit down. So for my real talk with you guys is just, yes, I put on makeup this morning. It took me 10 minutes. It takes me less time to put on my makeup than it does to do my hair. I just want to say that if you're ever watching my videos and you think, wow, she has it all together, she can get dressed and, you know, put on makeup or whatever, and I don't want you to feel bad about yourself or compare yourself to what I'm doing, because I obviously do not have mine together. A lot of times I'm putting on makeup because I know I'm gonna be on camera, and if I didn't have the job that I did, I probably wouldn't put on makeup a lot of times. I just wanna say that I'm sure there's a lot of people who compare themselves to others, because I do it too. I think, wow, she like did her hair today, her whole house is clean, you know, everything's organized, and I compare myself to other people. I want to be one less person that you are comparing yourself to. I want you to know that I am a human. My house is not clean. I have a cleaning lady and my house is not clean. Hence the reason why I have to have her, because I need some help. It is unorganized. Cash is about to take the blinds off of my window. Thank you. Anyways, I don't want to drag this along. I just want you guys to know that we're all in this together, and none of us are any better than the other. So I wanted to show this to you guys just in case you have a colicky little one or a baby with tummy problems. Crew has some tummy issues, not anything too severe, I don't think, but just your normal baby colicky issues. But somebody recommended this to me. It's called Happy Tummy, and it's like this little wrap that velcros around their abdomen, and it has a little heating pack that goes inside here, and it's also has like some aromatherapy, I don't know, scent to it. This is it. But what you do is you take it out of this and you put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, and then you slide it back inside there. I'll show you guys how it works. But it has really been working for him, especially when he's going to sleep. It puts him right to sleep. I let him sleep with it on, and it has really been helping us. So I'm gonna link this below. I'm gonna warm this up and then I'll show you how it goes on him. Okay, so this part just slides right into here. I'm sorry there's no better way to show you, but he's in the little bouncer next to me. So then you just put it like this and then wrap it around his tummy. Okay, so I wrapped it around his belly here. And here, baby. I'm sorry. There you go. So it just velcros around the back. It's really soft. It's just this little minky material, and it's warm and it smells really good. So, I mean, he won't sit here for hours or anything, but it does calm him down a lot. I really feel like it has been helping us a lot, and I really do recommend it. So that's all I got to say about that. The pumpkin bread, or the chocolate chip pumpkin bread, is done. I already ate a piece and it was so good. I know I've tasted this recipe before, so I'm not surprised, but just in case you guys were wondering, it was delicious. So the kids are in bed. It is a little bit after 8. I cannot wait to go get in my bath. I almost was just about to go jump in the bathtub, and then I was like, wait a minute, I need to end the vlog. I didn't even leave the house today and I'm exhausted. Hopefully Carter's sickness is not being passed on to me. That would not be good. That would be awful. Pray for me that the sickness does not take over the house, but he seemed to be fine, so hopefully no more fever. Anyways, I'm exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a pretty real day in my life with a sick kiddo. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Don't forget to check out Brianna's video in the description box below. Click on that link and go watch her day in the life video. I know that you guys will love it. And I will see you all in my next vlog. Bye.